Okay, my friends, right? This is now my video of all my plants in my on my garden. Not all, but okay, most of the plants in my garden. So I think I will make a video for you today, so you can see all that of most of my plants. Okay, right? And that is my clevias. I have a lot of it. You can see it's a nice orange and yes, it's yellow inside. And that is a very beautiful flower. Every year I sorry, every year I have more and more of that plant. Yesterday I gave for my neighbors also one in a pot with blooms also, and she are very happy with it. So that is now what I have in my garden. I have in front of my garden, and that is in the back side of my garden. I planted in an old bucket. You see where you wash inside and in big pots and so on. You see, planted in that, and I like it. All the people who came here, they say, "Oh, they love the plant. It is very beautiful." You see, this plant, I plant this in my garden. I put it, I plant it in the pots, and I set it around my fig trees. One of my fig tree, and the fig tree are very. It wear very nice fruit every year also. So you can see that flower there, and when the flowers are open, the bird, the bees come and they eat the pollen. No, they eat the pollen. They put they eat the honey. They collect the honey, and then the pollen sit on their feet, foot, and then the legs, and then after that they sit with another one, and then another one, and so the germination can go come. Germination can go forward. You see then with it with that, because it you can see that plant there, and you can see the green leaves also from that plant. So sorry, I do my own video photography, and I do my own editing and see music, editing music. That is all my own. Sometimes I use music from YouTube. Otherwise, I produce my own. Yeah. Okay, that is it, my friend. That is that. Oh, that I'm not sure what the name of this one is now. Okay, but okay, I can see that there's a lot of other colors also. It's red, it's orange, it's a little bit of pink, it is white, it's yellow, and so on and so on. I have a yellow, but I think that I lose the color, the yellow. So I'm not sure if it die or what. But okay, I watch it now till next year, and I want to also to hybridize that plant also to have more other colors of it. But that is now, and that is not difficult to hybridize that plant because all the information is in the internet. All you can go to YouTube, you can go to any other website where Wikipedia and so on, and so you can get that information there how to germinate that plant. Okay, and that is a malva. I'm not sure what the English name now, but in Afrikaans we call it a malva, and that is I want to do that also with that plants. I want to germinate that. I have a red also, but I'm not sure because I'm still waiting for that other plant you can see there to bloom, and then I will have the red, and I will make small plants from it when the small plants are the seed develop seed. This one, I'm not sure what the name of this one is, but sorry. When I somebody gave that two plants to me, it was a red one and it was a white one. And after a while, I see the red one was not yeah, so one of the two die, and the other one bloom every time it bloomed. And then I see there's also now come another pink color also. That is a Joseph coat. Yeah, that is a Joseph coat, and that one is my stinging nettles. The front one is my stinging nettle, so I can make. It is a herb. You can use it in for cold and for other illnesses. This one there is a fig tree. I like the leaves because it look not the same as the other figs in my garden, and that is all trees from seed. You can see this one there. There's also a seed, and you can see this one also. You can see that there's a bigger one, and there's a big difference. I have a lot of seeds, small figs from seeds, and every year I I plant my seed. No, don't plant it. I throw my seeds in the water. I wash my hands with the seeds, and then after a while I throw the water on the plants, and then after a while you can see there come small fig trees. That is my money plant. I'm not sure what the name of that is now, but okay, that is a money plant. And there is my begonia. I have two types of begonias here. This one and the other one. I'm not sure if I film this one, the other one, but okay. The flower look mostly the same, but there's a slight difference in color. And this one you see there, this is my money plant. That is the flower of my begonia. You can see this with that big leaf. Yeah, this one there. That is a begonia. And there's also roses, small roses from my seeds. And I planted here, and there's the roses on top in the other plant. That plant, that big one there with the long leaves, they call it a snake plant, but they also have other name. And that one, that is where my bonsai trees also grow. I have 2, 3, but yeah, 3, 4 of that, and there's in the front of my garden, the roadside, near the small gate, and you can see this plant. That is also ground. It grow on the ground, and they give a lovely flower. But now it is the weather is a little bit cold today, so the other plants are slightly close. But okay, tomorrow when the sun is up, sign that this plant is, and that one is also a ground plant, grow on the ground to keep the ground wet, cool, so that the other plants cannot die. Yeah, friend, that is my garden. That is from my plants in my garden, and I like now it is already that is also Malva. It is already September month, but it's still cold. One day warm, one day cold, and that is most of the Malpas are white, and I have a lot of other colors. But over the years, it wasn't so important for me to look after plants, and I remove a lot of them, and now I'm sure. But that is it. There is my what's the name of that plant? But okay, this is also a very nice plant, and hibiscus. Yeah, it is hibiscus, and there's a kappertjies in Afrikaans, and it grow well, and that grow under my hibiscus tree, and that I also plant from the potatoes under the tree, and my tomato is also there under the tree, and that is also others. You can see there's the flowers of the tomato. That is one of a few I plant there, and that is the one I'm looking now. You can see the difference. It still bloom now. So then there is my what's the plant name now, man? But okay, roosmarijn Afrikaans. Call it rosemary. Rosemary Afrikaans is a rosemary, and that is my lavender. That is my lavender, and now it's time for blooming also now. You can see now that little flowers there. You can see now, and you can see that lovely leaf, and there's the flower. See, there's the flower. So friend, thank you for watching my videos, and you don't have subscribed yet, please subscribe, man. And that is my teddy bears, and they look after my garden at night when we sleep, and that is all my other plants. So friends, that is it, and I'm glad you like my videos, but give a comment or two or so, man, and I will, and subscribe, because I will make more videos in the future, and I will show you more of my plants and how my garden are growing. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.